So in the previous class, we did this command in which we learned how to draw a line chart. We'll just see the output. So this was the graph which we got in the previous class, and today I will talk about more attributes, more functions, and more commands which you can write to enhance your pie chart, to enhance your line chart, so that you can make your line chart more informative. And that is what data visualization does. It makes complex data very easy by plotting different graphs on it, so that one can easily understand the aspects of the data which is telling something, so that we could easily understand and we could easily make others understand too. So for the attributes, so in the last class you learned about how to label the x-axis and the y-axis with this command plt.x label and plt.y label. So for specifying, let's if you want to specify plot size and grid, you need these two commands. So over here I have used this hashtag values to comment over in the Python commands. These symbols are used to add comments in the commands. So these hardly make any differences, but this is done to make our commands more easily readable by others, so that they could easily understand our commands. So in order to specify the plot size and the grid, what the command is plt.figure bracket fixed size equals to. So here you need to uh, mention the size, that is x comma y, that is how many units wide you need on the x coordinate and how many units long you need on the y coordinate. So over here I am just going 4 to 16 because it is very much reliable. 4 to 16. So this is it. So, and for the grid, what you need to do is to add grid, that is there would be lines plt dot grid, in brackets you'll write true, just T in capitals. You need to add T in capitals, not in smalls. So if you want to run this, you'll get something like this. See, now we specify the plot size. So if you want to increase the plot size, let's give it by 16 to 16. Let's give by this. Let's see the difference. Got it? So this is basically the difference between, this is basically how we will specify the plot size and the grid. So our very next command is to apply line color, the style, the line width, to add markers, to add marker edge size, to add marker edge color, to add marker size, and many more. So when you wanna add the color to the line chart, what you just need to do is, over here when you will when you will write this command plt.plot a comma b, just add one more comma with inverted commas. You'll just add the color of the line which you want. So there are some color codes in Matplotlib. You need to learn it. They are actually very easy and you could easily memorize it, like G for green, blue for blue, R for red, M for magenta, Y for yellow, K for black, C for sign, and W for white. So over here I'm preferring G. Okay, let's go with G, a small G. Okay, so this is for the line color. So see, over here you'll get this a green line color. Now if you want to change the line width, that is you want to make this line a bolder one, so what you need to do is add a comma, write line width equals to, that's 6. You can add any number 2, 4 according to your preferences. Say the line color increased. If you will add 8, you can see a difference. See, the line is becoming broader and broader. So now if you want to change the line style, that is you want to make it a dotted one, a solid, a dash, or a dash dot, what you need to do is you just need to add line style equals to, if you want to make it dashed, okay, let's do it dash dot. There are basically 4 types, that is solid, a plain line which is shown over here, that is dashed with many dash, then is dash dots, a combination of dots and dashes, and there is one dotted, which means small dots will be there. So when you will run this, you'll see these are dash dot, dash dot, dash dot. So this is the method of adding line style. So now if you wanna specify the marker type, see over here, let's to make this more interesting, let's remove this grid. Let the grid be there. Okay, see, this is it. So if you want to add the markers over here, that is for 2 it's 4, for 3 it's 9, for 4 is 16. So in order to, so now you need to add this marker. MARKER, marker equals to, there are many markers, there are point markers, circle markers, plus markers. We'll do it with D, that is diamond markers. Okay, with a small D, you wanna, then is marker size. If you wanna take the marker a bit larger, you need to specify its size also. Now is the marker edge color. The color of the marker will also be the same. So marker edge color equals to, marker edge color equals to, let it be red. Red would be preferred. So here you're gonna write the whole red. Okay, so just run this command and you'll just see this. Let's see it in undocked. See, there are these markers. See, first of all, what we did was a marker type. So these are the diamond markers for D. In the marker size, which I gave was 5, and the marker edge color, that is the color of the edge of the marker, would be red. So this is our output. 4 for 16, 3 for 9, 2 for 4, and 1 for 1. So this is a method in which you could actually perform all the attributes of the line chart. So this was our second class. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and please share the video with other students also, so that they could also get help and they could also excel in their studies. Please. Thank you.